guys, Lisbeth here. I want to show you what I received in my Sephora play box for January 2018. You hear it rattling around. Disclaimer, I've already filmed this one, so I do know what's in the box. But generally I peek anyway. So the Play by Sephora box is $10 plus applicable tax depending on where you live. And let's see, what else? It's monthly. You get 5 deluxe samples plus a bonus item. Usually it's perfume, sometimes it's hair masks, so they're starting to change it up. I enjoy that because with asthma, some perfumes like wipe me out. So I'm filming, yes, in the middle of the night, so sorry about the colors, but I got my makeup on early this morning and whatever, and life happens and we ended up having to leave the house. So I took my watch off even, so it's late. But I wanted to show you the Play by Sephora. This is the bag. I just like a couple days ago filmed a makeup bag declutter. It's not up yet. It'll probably be up after this. But this just shows you how quickly you can declutter and more stuff happens. So this is 2018 Happy New Year, which I really like the sentiment of it. This is a white cotton bag. Sometimes they'll send shiny, like slippery ones, but this white cotton bag. We also get the pamphlet. On the outside it talks about a beautiful 2018 and different goals for each month. On the inside it shows the products, and the important thing is your Play Pass. If you take it in and purchase something, you get the 50 Beauty Insider points. I usually take that off right away and put it in my purse because at some point I'm bound to be at Sephora. So the first item I'm going to show is like the extra item, and that is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So that's nice. It's a foil packet. I'll get a sample, I'll get a mask out of that. So that works well for me, especially with, my asthma, as I mentioned. Let's see, let me grab in here. I have the Glam Glow. This is their Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam with Cleanser. It is their charcoal cleanser. It's supposed to deep clean your pores. I don't usually care for charcoal items. I don't like the aesthetic of putting this like black gray stuff on your face, but I am almost out of my cleanser and I have not tried this one before, so I am going to use that. So that worked out. And after cleansing, I've got this Fresh, is the brand, Rose Floral Toner. And it looks like a pretty good sample size. I have used Fresh products before, but usually the moisturizers. I don't think I've used the toner before. So, and I think I'm down to about this much toner in the bottle of toner. I can't remember what brand I'm using right now. So this is pretty good. Let me see if I can, since I don't have my magnifying glass, see if I can see 20 milliliters or 0.6 fluid ounces. So not bad as a sample size. The next item I have is from Smashbox. New Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer and Moisturizer in one. Now I like the Smashbox primer, but that's because it's kind of like the gel, like the silicone or dimethicone, because I like the spackling properties. And this with the moisturizer, one, it's kind of a little teeny in terms of deluxe. I don't know if their idea of deluxe is anything other than a foil packet or not, but that looks a little teeny for me. And it's a lotion, so it's not really like the gel that I'm used to in the primer. I've got some swatches of something before. So it does feel good as a lotion. I'll check it out as a primer and let you know in my empties if it worked as a primer. Let's see, so that's 3 items plus a sample. The fourth, I've received this before, Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. So I will use that. I don't know if there's hardly nothing in it. I'm holding it up. I got some lights up there. It is literally this full. Where's that? It's full up to the PE. That's it. So I can't say I'm thrilled with that. But with eye creams, I can't really use them, which I wish I could, because boy, I need these puppies. But under one of my eyes, if I use an eye cream, I'll get a hive, like a bump under one of them. Every time I try to use an eye cream, and I have used this before, but basically I'll just use it all over my face as like a lifting, firming face cream. So I will use it because I'd kind of be embarrassed to even hand that to somebody since it only has, it's like to there. Two small samples. I don't know about that. And then we have the Anastasia, looks like, is this a lip gloss? Let me see if it's lip gloss or a lipstick. Lip gloss in Kristen. Now I do have it on. I put it on. I didn't know what it was. Because like I said, I had to refilm this. But it is in the color Kristen with a K. And it's a brownie mauve, more brown than mauve. And usually brown lip items do not look that great on me, but I think this is looking snapping good. So overall, I'm happy. I think a couple of the items could have been a little larger for deluxe sample, but I've got the lip gloss, which I really like. The eye cream, I mean, I'm going to use it. The Smashbox primer and moisturizer in one. It felt good as a moisturizer that I put on my hand. We'll have to see if it actually primes to the level of spackling that I need primed. The Rose, the Fresh is the brand name Rose Floral Toner. And the Glam Glow Super Cleanse. And we'll see how that works. And let's see, for the free, like extra, the Briogeo hair mask. And I know I like that. So this is what I got this time. Let me know if you think for you it's worth $10. Would it be for me? I don't know if you've ever seen Jen Loves Reviews. She looks at beauty boxes based on would she get her money out of it. I think with this lip gloss, which I'm glad to try because normally I wouldn't pick up that color. And with the toner and the mask, it probably is worth it for me. And then I've got other things I'm going to try. So I guess when I'm actually going to use everything in the box, it works out pretty good. The number of my box is 044. Let me know what you think. And if you got a different box number, or even if you got the same, let me know. I will talk with you guys later. Hit like if you like these kind of videos. Bye-bye.